So I'm back with another quick snack. I'm gonna make some carne asada tacos. I got some carne asada right here off the grill. Gonna chop it up. So I chopped up my carne asada. Right here I got some limes, some shredded cheese, lettuce, and some guacamole that I mixed with pico de gallo. So I'm gonna get this lime. I'm gonna squeeze it all over the carne asada. A little bit of salt. Preheated 2 tortillas for a minute in the microwave. So I'm gonna put my meat onto the tortillas. My hands are washed. And I'm gonna get some cheese. Lettuce. I'm gonna get a scoop of my guacamole. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I am on top. And that, you guys, is carne asada tacos. Oh, last but not least, I almost forgot. My ranch style beans on the side. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.